One install can break an entire Python environment. You add one module, and suddenly everything depends on the wrong version of one library. In this video, I'll show a real dependency trap I hit while setting up a ComfyUI workflow, and the clean one-line fix that solved it. While browsing through site civite.com, I stumbled upon a WAN 2.2 image-to-video workflow for ComfyUI, claiming to be capable of generating clips up to 20 seconds long instead of the usual 5-second ones. Naturally, I decided to give it a try. The workflow required installing 4 new custom modules. 3 of these installed just fine, but the last one threw a monkey wrench into the environment's Python dependencies. The problematic dependency was called color science. And here's the key detail. The module's requirements didn't pin a version for this package. So pip just grabbed its newest release, 0.4.7. That version requires NumPy version 2.x. And because of that, pip upgraded NumPy from version 1.26.4 to version 2.4.2. Normally, updating sounds good, but Python environments aren't a latest is best situation. They're a compatibility puzzle. I was using NumPy 1.26.4 for a reason, because one of the other installed custom modules requires this particular NumPy version. This package is the NSFW version of ComfyUI-Reactor-Node for face swapping. After the upgrade to NumPy 2.4.2, multiple packages became incompatible. For example, package copy-CUDA12x required NumPy less than 1.29. Package MediaPipe required NumPy less than 2. And package Numba required NumPy less than 2.4. So now the environment was broken from multiple angles. At this point, downgrading NumPy back to 1.26.4 seems obvious. But the moment you do that, Color Science 0.4.7 complains because it demands NumPy 2.x. That's the stalemate. One package wants new NumPy, and other packages want old NumPy. The fix was simple once you see the cause. The requirements didn't specify a version for Color Science, so pip installed the newest one, 0.4.7. Instead, you install an older version that still supports NumPy 1.26.4, like 0.4.6 or 0.4.5. In my case, explicitly installing version 0.4.6 solved the conflict and made all the packages happy. So, now with everyone happy with their NumPy, I was able to run the workflow. Here's the first 5-second video clip made with it. Another 5-second clip, as well as 2 25-second clips of more mature content, can be seen in my blog at the end of the post, example 1 of the advantages of manually installing ComfyUI. Some material on the blog is age-restricted and requires login.